Hi guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are gonna create something new, something unique, something satisfying. So we are gonna create a glass cutting fruits. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, first you have to go to your chat GPT and go to this GPTs. In here, you can explore and discover custom version of ChatGPT that combines instruction, extra knowledge, and any combination of skills. So let's see what we have here. We have topics, writing, productivity, research and analysis, education, lifestyle, programming, and a lot more. Okay, so we are gonna type ASMR. Okay, so we are gonna choose this one, the first one, make ASMR images and prompts and start chat. You can choose any fruits, okay? Banana, apple, lemon. I'll go with lemon. This is just an example, but you can choose any fruits you like. So oh, there's lemon here. So I'm gonna lemon, comma, color, yellow, and enter. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have the image prompt, but ChatGPT can generate the image for you. So I will just type yes. Then they will ask which ratio do you want, TikTok or YouTube. I will go with YouTube. The guide link will be in the description below so you can follow along. Okay. Okay, this will take a while, so I'll be back. Okay, so we have our image here. Alright, so let's click. If you want to describe what you want to add, remove, replace, whatever you want, you can type it in the chat box here. But I'm fine with this image, so I will go and download this image. Okay, so let's go to my Clink website. Okay, so I have drag and drop my fruit image here. As you can see, look at the realistic, guys. It is like glass. Okay, now what prompt we are gonna enter? Let me go back to my Notion. And I'm gonna copy and paste and click generate. Okay, so I'm already back and we have the result now, so let's watch. Okay, so we have our result now. Let's see. Wow, it sounds so satisfying, guys. And it looks so real. Okay, so I'm fine with the result, but if you are not fine, then you can regenerate it. So I'm fine with the result and I'll download this now. Okay, so you can download with the audio, you can download without the audio, you can download audio. Okay, so I'll just download. There you go. I'll download with audio. And there you go. This is how to create a satisfying glass fruit, cutting glass fruits. Okay, it can be lemon, apple, mango, strawberry, whatever fruits you like, you can use it. You can write in the prompt. So this is how you create a cutting glass fruit. You can follow along with the Notion. Okay, I'll put in the Notion link in the description so you guys can follow along. Let me know once you experiment, how is it, how do you like it. Drop your thoughts in the comment. And if you like this video, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please drop a yellow star or yellow heart in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.